Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to post product sourcing requests to CJ Dropshipping. Now, the first thing you can do is you obviously need to be logged in into your CJ. Now, I'm already logged in. You have go to source more right here. And then what you will have to do is you will have to type, or actually not type, but click on AliExpress, Taobao, or, any other sourcing platform right here. So let's say AliExpress. Let's click on it. As you can see, you will need to install CJ Chrome extension. Now I'll click cancel, right? And once you open AliExpress with the CJ extension on your Chrome, make sure to install it. I'm not installing it just for the sake of this tutorial, right? But yeah, you will have to go to AliExpress. You'll have to go install now, and then once you're on AliExpress, once you click on a product, right, say cancel. Once you click on AliExpress on a product, let's say this is AliExpress, right? On a product, you will have on the right side a blue icon which you can click, and that will basically post product sourcing request to CJ Dropshipping, right? Now, once you've done that, you can go to my CJ right here, and yeah, what you can do is you can go to sourcing right here, and here you will see all the sourcing requests that you've made, right? You can also source more and post a sourcing request as well from here as well. Now that's basically how it works. That's how to post product sourcing requests to CJ Dropshipping. It's really simple, really easy. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.